Where are you? Where are you? There you are. What's in there? We're done crawling, aren't we? Probably getting tired. Are we looking for bugs? We got the hiccups.
Shoe?
Got our baseball, we're traveling. See you later.
Bye, Blake.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
All right, have a good trip.
She said bye-bye. Going to kind of fit. Only you. Careful. You're so busy.
The backward throw. That's a Statue of Liberty play.
Backwards. No, forward. I thought he was really going to throw it too.
The backward throw again. We're good at throwing backward. We're good at that.
Whoa. You good? Okay? Shake it off. You're right.
Get your butt up.
His belly is too heavy. He's getting a little loopy.
Are we out of energy? Are we running out of energy?
Are you falling out of life?
Yeah, we're running out of energy. It's almost bedtime. Our batteries are almost out.
Nick, go get your blankie.
Yeah, we're all loopy. Yeah. We're all loopy. Yeah. Give me 5. Give me 5.
5. Oh, I'm falling.